Hey, this is the olive oil tour we went on, Gargiulo, and it's being sold in the stores here in Amalfi. That's pretty cool.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the adventure. Today we are headed to Amalfi and Positano. Today we're definitely going to get that lemon sorbet that you guys got to see Hassan have in the last video. It looks so good, so we got to try it. Looking forward to some water beach type things. There's some tours involved as well, so hopefully we'll learn something new about this area. I plan to fly the drone as well, so we'll get some of those great shots. Everybody's excited. See them all back there. I don't know if you see them. Yeah. The water behind us, leaving Sorrento behind. So see you guys in Amalfi first. We just arrived here in Amalfi. We're at the main square, this beautiful church, and somebody just got proposed to or married, something like that. So, yeah, congrats to them.
Everybody go watch the TMax!
So once you've been in an area long enough, a lot of these tourist places start selling the same things, so you start seeing the same things you've seen. And of course, you know, that doesn't stop people from trying to buy more. So they got sandals before, right? They're looking at sandals again. But yeah, when you're on vacation, just enjoy yourself, right? And in addition to seeing the same souvenirs and the same products, you start seeing the same tourists. Even people that's not in our hotel. I'm just like, hey, I recognize that dude. Hey, I saw you.
Really?
There we go. Beautiful. Got our Amalfi bag.
This beach is straight rocks. Ain't no sand here. This is not a sand beach, so if you come in here to swim, be ready for these rocks. In my shoes, in my shoes. Oh.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Andy!
When you get out past where they're at, It just drops off. Yeah, so I was like treading water. When I came out swimming, I put my foot down and it wasn't there. And I kept going down. And it's like a much cooler.
Yeah.
And once you hit that drop, yeah, like the cold water just hits you. And you come back, you're like, oh, there's something. All right, so that was fun. And yeah, cooling off, and now we're about to grab something to eat. But let's see how everybody else felt about the water.
I got to get into Amalfi Beach with the black pebbles, and the water was nice, warm. The part that I got in, I didn't get on in the drop off, and just love the fact that I'm here. It was on my bucket list. Another check.
Just made it to Amalfi, and beautiful, beautiful area. Going around different sites with the ship that came in on. And then we had an opportunity to walk through the streets and then finish off dipping into the Mediterranean. It was nice.
So in the limone?
The lemon, €8.
Ooh, fancy.
It is pretty good. The closest I'm gonna get to Italian water ice.
I got the strawberry lemon. It's really good. But I didn't need the lemon, I just wanted the sorbet.
All right, I tried the lemon thing, but I don't like tart or sour foods, so I didn't buy it because I didn't like it. I didn't want to waste my money. But if you like that kind of thing, worth trying. And that's all of Positano. Every restaurant here and Capri and Sorrento and all these places has a cover charge just to eat in the restaurant. So you pay in just to be there. Positano was pretty cool. We're heading back to Sorrento now. Maybe we just weren't here long enough, but it just didn't feel like it was much different from Amalfi, or there was nothing special about being here. Had we just come here first, maybe this would have been better than Amalfi, I don't know. If you're gonna come to the Amalfi Coast, pick a place, go there and enjoy that. You don't need to go to the other ones, in my opinion.
Positano and Amalfi today were amazing. I did enjoy Amalfi the most. It was a little bit bigger than Positano. We did have a pretty good lunch today at Positano. I really enjoyed that, and just walking through the streets. But it's just like when you're visiting the Caribbean, you know, it's like once you've seen one island and you start to keep seeing them, they kind of all start to look alike. I think that's how this was for me. All the cities kind of looked the same, and they were all built into the rocks. They're beautiful though, and each one had a very unique vibe, but it still was very similar. And I'm really happy I had the opportunity to do that. Amalfi, the city, was very nice. I enjoyed that very much. And the boat ride was long, but it was really pretty, and it was a good day, and you could feel the splash from the sea. That felt really good on your skin, and I totally enjoyed this trip today. I'm exhausted, lots of walking, but I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Yeah, Positano was good. It was very quick. We actually went down and had lunch and watched Tim fly his drone over the beach. And then for Amalfi Coast, it was outstanding. Actually got into the water, went up to my pants, my shorts, and that was nice because refreshing. And then we had the opportunity to walk through the city, and it was a lot to see. And I definitely recommend it.
Hello everybody, it's Andy and Alan coming back from Positano. I had a veggie burger and some fries, and I saw some beautiful shoes, but I already got some, so I can't get no more. But they were so beautiful, my favorite color, brown. I left them behind. Bye. Alan had a burger, which looked very good. Don't eat meat. So they had something for everybody. I really, really love gelato. It's probably a gazillion calories, but I enjoy every bite of it. Mwah. Loved it.
the first Italian water ice that I had. I've been looking for it since I've been here. Finally found out it's called Limon Sorbet. And that's it. Great day. Yeah, and I don't know what's going on with the bug bites, but so far, I haven't been bitten. I love it. Bye.
So we came up to the Bastions here, the old city walls. It's open just certain hours of the day. So we thought, oh man, it's gonna be super cool. It's gonna have all this information and stuff. And we're up here and we don't know what we're looking at because there's no signs. There's the little app that you can download, doesn't work. So yeah, just some nice old city walls here in downtown Sorrento.